Hello everyone, welcome to our June My Monthly Hero release, Soak Up the Sun. Let's start off by taking a closer look at everything included in the June My Monthly Hero kit. Starting off strong with this awesome die set. This is Pool Party die set. There's 25 dies in this. Great for creating this fun pool scene for your focal point. You have everything you need for a fun day at the pool. Floaties, a beach ball, an umbrella, and you have our sunbathers here. Very, very cute. It comes with not only a die to create the pool itself, but also a frame for the pool, which allows you to do some really fun techniques like shaker cards. I love this one here filled with some beads. And the sunbather or swimmer is on top, so you can still see them. So cute. Here's a fun design where it's off to the side. Those are always so creative and cool. And again, a shaker card. But you could, of course, just make it a regular focal point. But, I mean, when you have a chance to make a shaker card, right? You take it. And then there's additional images like the floaties in that, where you have the watermelon and even that cool popsicle. So, super cute set. Now, you may have noticed on these two cards, that pattern for the water, that is actually our next product included in the kit, which is a layering stencil. This is the reflection layering stencil set. There's 3 stencils in this set, and it just creates this cool, very realistic looking water design or water texture for your pool. I love it so much. I can see myself using this beyond this kit. It's just a really great layering stencil set. And stencils are my favorite because there's so much you can do with them. In addition to just ink blending, you can also add some texture and dimension with paste. This is our glitter hero paste here. I'm trying to get it catching the light a little bit, but it adds some fun texture and shine. And I can see myself also using this with our white hero paste. There's just so many fun ways you can use this layering stencil. Again, we have another example of it for the water in this fun shaker card. And you may notice in the shaker card, there's some additional pool floaties here. That takes us to our next product, which is the Fun Floats die set. This is just a great addition to go with that pool die set. You have some kind of fun and creative pool floats, one with flowers, a duck, I love that one, your classic pool float, and more of like a life preserver one. And you can see how just the cuteness of those pool floats make a great focal point as well. Then there is a stamp and cut included in this kit. Great for all your sentiments that you find on several of the cards that I've shared with you already. There's also some images in this set. You have a bunch of 2-step stamps or solid stamps with a, like the flip-flops here, you have a base and then a detail layer. You have a sun, you have ice cream cone and ice cream, just a lot of fun solid stamps that are so beautiful stamped in colored ink, and they just make creating a colorful stamped scene or stamped card so easy. And I love all the great sentiments. And because this is a stamp and cut, you have the coordinating dies here for all the images as well as all the sentiments in the back. And let's look at some of these fun projects. Here's a tag, great for your summer kind of gift giving. So easy to create, and I love the sentiment. Life is better in flip-flops. It really is, truly is. And then here's a fun focal point that I created using those solid images as well as a sentiment. So easy and just looks so colorful and beautiful with those colored inks and solid stamps. Now, of course, we always have a paper pack included in our My Monthly Hero kits. This is the postcard that's included, which has a really handy guide here at the bottom that shows you all the colored cardstocks that are included in your kit. So it's really easy to identify your favorites. Pick up more if you like that color. My favorite is always that seaside. I love that one. But I love this palette. It's so great with this summer pool theme. And let's fan out these beautiful cardstocks so you can see all of them. So pretty. They are a half sheet, so 5.5 by 8.5, 10 in all, and such a fun and pretty color palette. Now let's move on to our June My Monthly Superhero kit. So this includes everything in the My Monthly Hero kit plus these additional products, starting off with the Sipping Summer die set, 24 dies, a very large die set. You can see that creates this beautiful girl for your focal point. She has the hat that you can either place on her head or opt out. And there's even a fun drink option. You can have her sipping on either a lemonade or maybe a soda, whatever you choose. It's a really fun design. I like that little additional detail. And here are all the dies in the back. You can see it's a large die. And again, that option to either have the hat separate or on top of her head. So lots of play there. And we have some wonderful samples to show you how that looks. I love the way this one turned out. She's so beautiful. And I do want to point out in the background is one of the stencils from that reflection layering stencil set included in the My Monthly Hero kit. So I love that detail. So clever. Looks like animal print. I love it. And then here's one more. Here you can see her hat is centered on her head versus tipped. So even just if you decide to use the hat, you can change the position and really change the look as well. And then you may have noticed on both of these hats, there is a sentiment, and that's created with this Stampin' Cut. This is the Fabulous Phrases Stampin' Cut. You have 16 stamps and 16 cutting dies. Great sentiments that can be used all on their own, but they do fit beautifully on that curve of the hat or on that curve of the brim. And you have some additional images to add to that hat as well. So really fun. You could just create a card with just that hat die from the Sipping Summers die set and this sentiment set. And again, with all of our Stampin' Cuts in the back, you have the coordinating dies that cut out all the images as well as all the sentiments. And then here is a perfect example of a project using just that hat as kind of the focal point. She did tuck in some of these super cute drinks from that Sipping Summer die set. And then her sentiment is right here on the rim. So cute. I love the way she did the bow too. And then, if it couldn't get any better, there is a word die set included in the kit. This is the Hello Sunshine die set. It has 2 layers, so you have the word dies and then the shadow layer die. I always love that there's a shadow layer. That just makes it so much easier to incorporate into your design. You can cut that shadow layer out of white cardstock or vellum, and then it just pops away so much better from your background. And the sentiment's just so cute with the 2 different style of text or font. I love it, and it's a great focal point all on its own. You can see on this card, that's pretty much what I did. I had the sentiment popped up on white, letters obviously cut out of black, so they really pop. And then I included a couple of those drink die cuts, which are so cute again. And then here you can see on Kelly's card, she also kind of made that sentiment the focal point and added some accents. And I really love the clever way she used that pool die to kind of create a window to draw your eye in. Don't forget, My Monthly Superhero subscribers get a free special Hero Arts gift after 12 consecutive months. Just print out the passport found in the subscribe page of our website and simply stick this month's sticker on your printout. And if you're new, no worries, you can start at any time. Show us your progress by tagging us on our social media or use hashtag MyMonthlyHero. Both these kits are now available. Pick up yours today at heroarts.com.